problem-based learning in SMU is much more better than lecture-based studies.
The 100% of all students getting a chance to go overseas is actually quite attractive.
It's been phenomenal because it prepares a student for the ever-changing global market.
The exchange programs that SMU has provides an opportunity for students to go abroad and get acclimatized to different environment, different culture.
Quite enriching, especially helping them to sort of get themselves prepared for the working life.
You are able to build up the students to be more open, vocal.
We are quite happy if we send our kids here.
SMU is very vibrant.
SMU will be able to prepare me for my working life.
A pretty great place to be.
I think the SMU will be the right choice.